Top of it, top of it, top of it. It's your boy, Coach One Stack, man. We at it today, man. I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Hope you guys gonna love this message, which you always will anyway. So you already know right now you should hit the pause button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let them know that you're messing with your boy, man, because we dropping this content each and every day. And you guys are really gonna love this video because let's just say this video at one point in time, it had to do with all of us. And what this is about is stop making these fake New Year's resolutions that you're not gonna keep. So in other words, stop setting yourself up to let yourself down every year. In other words, stop lying to yourself about what you're gonna do when the 1st of January comes. See, let's really chop some game here. We all got some things that we might be insecure about. Normally that thing is about weight. People want to change their bodies, Ain't too many people saying they want to change their mindset or the spiritual side, but that's cool because, God loves you anyway. But most people, they want to change their body, And the first thing that you have to realize when you start to change that body, I don't care who you are. I don't care how big you are. I don't care how small you are. I don't care about none of that. I don't care, how much you can lift, how much you can't lift. If you are in the gym and you are trying to do something with some weights and do something with your body, you can be one of two things. You either can be a power lifter, which a power lifter does not care about what their body looks like. Their goal is to lift a large amount of weight 1 to 2 times. That's it. But if you are actively in the gym, at home, anywhere, if you are trying to change the way that your body looks, that means you're building your body. You are a bodybuilder. Yes, you are. You are absolutely a bodybuilder. So no, you don't have to have 300-400 pounds on the bench press to call yourself a bodybuilder. You ain't got to have no big old chest like Coach One Stack to be a bodybuilder. If you are trying to change your body, you're a bodybuilder. So for those of y'all people who've been feeling a little bit inadequate, man, let's give it up to you, man, because you're a bodybuilder and you didn't even know it. Ain't that the cold part? So see, that right there should have made some of your guys' day. You're already a bodybuilder, so now with being a bodybuilder, all you need to do is know what to do. And see, a lot of you guys, man, you're going to come to this gym, you're going to flood these gyms. It's already starting to happen. And what you're going to do, you're going to say, you know what? I'm about to go to the gym 5 days a week. I'm going 5 days a week. Well, the thing is, see, Coach One Stack can go and say, man, you know what? I'm going to go to the gym 6 days a week because I already go 5. So more than likely, it's easier for me to go an extra 1. But most of y'all that's going to say, man, I'm going 5 days a week. You haven't even been going 1 day a week. So what I'm telling you is by telling yourself and psyching yourself up and then lying to other people about what you're going to do 5 times, really, you're only going to do it once. You're not going to do it 5 times. And I'm going to tell you why. Because after that first day, when that soreness kicks in, you're going to be looking at day 2 like, I shouldn't have said that. Then most of y'all are going to sit out day 2, and then you might try to go to day 3. But when it get a little harder day 3, when you get into that door, some of y'all going to walk right back out to y'all car. And then, now you're going to figure, hey, man, I already tried. My body hurt. I'm too tired. I can't make that change. So there went your whole New Year's resolution down the dang drain because you couldn't keep a word to yourself. Can you dig it? See, this is why I don't believe in New Year's resolutions, people. I believe in everyday resolutions. See, every day is the same for me. Every day is the same. Time is man-made. The dates are man-made. So what I'm saying is, by the time I open my eyes every day, which is before the crack of dawn, I am getting the most out of every moment that I am awake until my eyes shut, moving towards my purpose and doing positive things. Can you dig it? Not hitting my goals each and every day and seeing some of those goals, what you don't realize, they have to start off small. Something like making your bed up every day. That is a goal, guys. I know that don't sound like, much of a big deal of making your bed, but for those of you who don't make your bed up in the morning, try making your bed up for about a week. You will notice that your life will drastically change even when you go out into the workforce, because now you've taken some responsibility to start your day off right with a win. And now that's the way the rest of your day goes. See, so, most people that watch these videos, you guys are looking for the home run. You trying to knock it out the park. with everything you do, therefore having them 5 workouts a day. I mean, a week. And the thing is, you need to start small. If you haven't been going one day, say, you know what? I'm going to go to the gym 2 days a week. I'm going to go on Monday and like Thursday, right? So that way your body can catch up and you're not breaking your body down. Because when you set yourself up for destruction, your mind is going to be the first thing that gives up and says, man, I don't want to do this. It don't feel good no more. See, the person, when you want to look like that person, that man or that woman in that magazine, are you thinking about how you look? Man, once it got hard, a lot of y'all said, quit. You're going to quit, and that's why I'm leaving this video so that most of you guys don't quit. Set realistic expectations. Don't go into the gym feeling like, man, I gotta put 300 on the rack and try to bench this stuff because, man, I'm a big dude and I should be able to lift all this weight. Man, we call that ego lifting, man. I work out with 135 pounds. And I think my last bench, I think I benched 425 on the bench. That was about a month ago. But I work out with 135 pounds. That's just 145 on each side, and I'm swole as hell. So it's not about ego lifting. Don't find yourself ego lifting either. Like, oh, I gotta do all this weight. Just do a little bit at a time. Because see, what you don't realize is for those of y'all who are trying to get big and buff, like, man, that comes with repetition and eating and the right, rep range. But that's a whole nother video. We're talking about not making those unrealistic expectations. You got you ladies. I got to get on the ladies. So many of you women get led down the wrong path. I swear you do. You get led down the wrong path. They want to sell y'all these body sculptors and waist trainers and disc trainer and even these little things that look like seat belts that you put around your thigh, and they try to sell y'all all these little gimmicks like snatch juice. And guys, let me tell you something. Those are just gimmicks. Those are just gimmicks. It's going to make you lose some water weight, but you don't need that to lose water weight. What you need to do is come see Coach One Stack, and I can show you how to get it off naturally to where it don't never come back, as long as you do what you're supposed to do. But remember, it starts off of here. But man, you ladies, they get y'all with these gimmicks, man. They get y'all with these gimmicks because they got y'all thinking that weight is what you should be losing, and what you should be losing is inches, not the weight. Take that note to self. You should be losing inches, not weight. And how do you know if you're losing inches, Coach One Stack? Well, you get you some clothes that are a little smaller. See this shirt right here? This is a large. I've had this shirt for like 3 years. When I was an extra large, I couldn't wear it. But one day I said I'm gonna wear a large. Now look how loose it is. This is a large. And I'm probably at, 225 pounds. I haven't weighed myself. I don't weigh myself. So the thing is, man, like I said with the ladies, stop setting yourself up with those realistic expectations. Get yourself like, a smaller outfit, something that's smaller that you could barely get into. Now, as you start working out and doing your thing, one day you're going to find that you can get into that outfit, and you're going to ask yourself, is it more important that I weigh a certain amount or that I be able to dress how I want to dress? And that answer is going to be, it's more important that I dress how I want to dress. And so what you do is you keep on grinding like Coach One Stack and told you to, which I've been telling y'all to all this time. And so you get you another outfit, and the outfit is a little smaller. And then what? You find that you fit into that outfit. Now you see that you're doing what? Losing inches. So again, guys, does it matter how much you weigh, or does it matter how many inches that you lose? It matters about how many inches you lose. See, guys, you got to have the right mindset when you step into that gym, man, so that you're not setting yourself up for self-destruction. You got to have the right motivation. You have to actually know why you're going into the gym. Most people that go into the gym, they don't have a plan. They don't know why they're there. They're just saying, I'm going to the gym. Or I want to lift weights. I want some big arms. Guys, it don't work like that, man. You have to have a plan. You have to have a plan. When I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what exercise I'm going to do, how many sets, what order I'm going to do them in, and what machines or what I'm going to use and the weight on me. I know all that before I even step foot in the gym each and every day. And the only way I don't stick to that is if somebody is on a machine or a bench that I might need to complete an exercise. Guys, it's all mental, man. Can you dig what I'm saying? Set yourself up for failure, not destruction. Don't stop setting yourself up for destruction, man. Set yourself set yourself up to succeed by making goals that you need. Can you dig? Make your goals smaller, man. Stop making them extra high. Because you keep making them extra high, as soon as you miss one day, it's going to stop all your progress. Can you dig it? But man, hey man, that's enough for y'all. That's enough for y'all today, man. Coach One Stack, love y'all, man. Have a beautiful day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and all that good stuff. Church.